Now to the latest in the case against the man accused of killing 4 University of Idaho students last November. Today, Bryan Kohberger waived his right to a speedy trial in a Latah County courtroom.
So that means that his trial will not begin on October 2nd like originally planned. KREM 2's Janelle Finch is now live at the Latah County Courthouse to break down what happened in the courtroom today. Janelle?
Mark and Whitney, today we learned Bryan Kohberger may not be appearing here at the Latah County Courthouse for trial on October 2nd. This after waiving his right to a speedy trial. Cooney County Public Defender Ann Taylor says there's just not enough time to review evidence, fitness investigations, and prepare to begin for trial in October. Kohberger walked into the courtroom prepared to waive his right to a speedy trial Wednesday. Attorney Ann Taylor says she requested the status conference to reschedule the trial start date. She says October is too soon to begin. The state agreed more time would be beneficial. Latah County Prosecutor Bill Thompson says while the state would like to wrap this up quickly, this case is highly important and deserves the most effective counsel. The judge approved the waiver, which means a new trial date will need to be scheduled.
If you waive, you're waiving really forever in this case. So if we were to push this out, this case, and then something else happens that allows us or requires us to push it out a little farther, you can't claim your right to a speedy trial at that point. Sure you want to do this?
Absolutely.
The state requested that trial rescheduling be discussed after the September 1st hearing. The court is already scheduled to meet to review the defense's challenges to the grand jury indictment next Friday. That hearing is still scheduled for next week. The defense hopes motions on cameras in the courtroom and what happens to witnesses after testifying will also be heard at that time. We do not know what this means for jury selection at this time, but what we do know from Judge John Judge is that they are already receiving requests for excusal from potential jurors. Now those requests will need to be reviewed and approved at another point in time with the prosecution and defense. Like said, that will happen at another date. Until then, from the Latah County Courthouse, Janelle Finch, KREM 2 News.